This video will show you how to use the bh70 series. What's in the box? Power on, off. Turn on the headset. Turn off the headset. Connection. Bluetooth connection. Connect to mobile. Take iPhone as an example. Turn on device's Bluetooth. Toggle the power button to the Bluetooth side and hold for 3 seconds. The LED will flash red and green alternately when ready for pairing. Select Yealink bh70. Bluetooth connection. Connect to PC. Plug the USB dongle into PC. The dongle and the headset are pre-paired and will be automatically connected after insertion. Wearing headset. Adjust the headband and wear the headset. For optimal comfort, adjust the headband. For optimal call quality, position the microphone close to your mouth. The boom arm can be gently bent towards the mouth for better positioning. Boom arm with 280 degrees adjustment. And supports left and right wear, giving you the freedom to place the earpiece on your preferred side. For the mono headset, place the headband over your head, with the headset positioned against your preferred ear, and the T-bar positioned just above the opposite ear. Control. Call controls. When there's an incoming call, press the MFB button to answer the call, or pull down the microphone arm. Press MFB button twice to reject the call. In the call, press the mute button to mute the microphone. Press the mute button again to unmute the microphone, or pull up the microphone arm to mute the microphone. Pull down the microphone arm to unmute the microphone. Press the MFB button to end the call. Busy light. Activate automatically while in a call. Pressing volume up plus volume down buttons simultaneously, for fewer interruptions while not in a call. Music controls. Press the play button to pause the media. Press the play button again to play the media. Long press volume up for 1.5 seconds to play the next track. Long press volume down for 1.5 seconds to play the previous track. Configure your device. Download client from the Yealink website. Note: it needs to be used with Yealink USB connector version 0.36 or later. Open the Yealink USB Connect client. Select bh70 headset. You can view headset information and configure your headset. In device settings, select advanced settings, and you can choose the equalizer for calls mode. In moments, you can switch between different moments and configure different music presets. In update device, you can update your device. Return to homepage. Select BT51 dongle. In pair management, you may disconnect the headset connection and reconnect it. Download the Yealink Connect app from iOS App Store or Android App Store. Open the Yealink Connect app. In moments, you can switch between different moments and configure different music presets. In About, enter software version. You can update your device. Replace ear cushions. Detach the old ear cushion by rotating counterclockwise. Align the replacement ear cushion with ear cup. Rotate the replacement ear cushion clockwise until you hear a click.